Whose little girl are you, little Lulu? Whose dreams are you gonna make come true today? Little Lulu, little Lulu, you got a way of doing what you do, making everything you do go right. So I say,